Okay, guys, order of operations today. And I'm just going to write over here on the side, and you can jot this down too. But PEMDAS, a lot of people have seen this. But you know what? This is something that we really need to talk about for a moment. That group, multiplication and division, and then this group, addition and subtraction. Because addition does not always come before subtraction. Sometimes it doesn't. It depends on which one comes first in the expression from left to right. Okay? So for instance, if I had 19 minus 12 plus 4, right? I want to subtract first, then add 4. Okay? So I'm going to get 7 plus 4, and that gives me 11. All right? What if I added first? 19 minus 16. I don't get the same thing, do I? Right? So I definitely need to follow PEMDAS, but remember, with addition and subtraction, I go from left to right, whichever one shows up first. Henry?
Is it the same thing with division and multiplication?
It is the same thing with division and multiplication. Okay? So for instance, let's say that I've got 9 times, I'm trying to think, how about 12 and 4 and let's see, 36. Okay? Now, in PEMDAS, multiplication comes before division, but not in this problem, right, Spencer? In this problem, we've got to do the division before the multiplication, just because it shows up first from left to right. So this would be 3 times 4, and that gives me 12. Rather than 36 divided by, what's 12 times 4? 48? That would be what, 3/4? If I did that and reduced it, or 0.75? That'd be ugly. Not ugly, but that's just not what it means. Okay? Henry, yes, sir.
If it was like 36 divided by 12 plus 4?
Then I would do division. I always do division before addition or
Okay.
subtraction. Yeah. All right. So we've talked about the order of operations. Be clear on that. Here's one other thing, guys. Grouping symbols, parentheses, that's a grouping symbol. Brackets, you may see those sometimes with parentheses in them. Braces, you may see those sometimes with brackets and parentheses in them. But here's the one that people forget. Here's the one that people forget. Fraction bar. You need to simplify the numerator and then simplify the denominator before you reduce that fraction. Before you do anything between top and bottom, you need to simplify top and bottom individually. Okay? So a fraction bar is also a grouping symbol. Let's look at this. This is an easy problem. Okay? This thing says flower flag. Okay. Flower flag. Whatever that is. All right. There are about 2,000 plants in each of the 50 stars of this flower flag. Each star has 2,000 plants. There are about 64,100 plants in each of the 7 short stripes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right? And 106,700 plants in each of the 6 long stripes. The blue region contains about 198,900 plants. You can approximate the total number of plants by evaluating this expression. Whoa. 50 times 2,000 plus 7 times 64,100 plus 6 times 106,700 plus 198,900. All right? There we go. Now, guys, you got a calculator in front of you. Somebody tell me. No, not somebody. Ross, tell me what 50 times 2,000 is. Leo, I want 7 times 64,100 from you. Alberto, I want 6 times 106,700. There's an extra 0 on there. It shouldn't be there. Okay? You figure that out. Now, Ross, what is this? Is it a million? 10 and 4 zeros? 2, 3, 4. No, it's not a million. It's 100,000. Right? Okay, 100,000 plus, Leo, what'd you get over there? 448,700.